What you see here is an Emerson Designer. 4 blades, 36 inches, Chesterfield Brown finish. This here was one of Emerson's most popular ceiling fan models back in the early 1980s. These are pretty common in my area as well as many other parts of the United States. They were offered in 3 different sizes, which is more than most other fans, those being 52-inch, 42-inch, and 36-inch. They were also offered in a couple of different finishes. White and brown were the most popular, and I believe they also got brass and antique brass later on, though those are less common from what I've seen. This is a 2-speed model with the faux wood grain blades, and there are no blade badges, just these little washers on the screws that attach to the blade iron on the other side. I believe that was a common thing for 36-inch designers, that they wouldn't have the badges, but the 42-inch and 52-inch sized ones would. And of course the switch cap, switch housing, motor housing, and canopy are all plastic. There's the top. Overall, the fan is in pretty good shape, aside from some scratches and scuff marks here and there. God damn you, people's inability to see. You have to loosen the set screw. Anyways, so now we'll go ahead and ignite power, starting on low speed. The fan has a little bit of a wobble, but the bearings are nice, silent. Emerson Designers were offered with 2-speed and 3-speed. Not sure if it depended on the era, though it most likely did. Or perhaps it could have been random. Additionally, some of them came with lavalier pull chains, while others just came with the standard pull chain, as seen on this one. Again, not sure if there was a pattern to it or not. Now we'll take the fan up to high. And as expected, high speed is fast and powerful. Of the three sizes, 36 inches most likely the least common. At least from what I've seen, it's the least common, so definitely a treat to see one of these, especially in such good shape. And one final note, the spin down time is nice and lengthy on this boy. It'll be another 3 or 4 minutes until the fan comes to a complete stop. And some of you may shout at me in the comments for it, but I'm going to cut the video right here. So, thank you all for watching. This has been a 36-inch Emerson Designer in Chesterfield Brown.